Hi there, Toby from Hardlines Angling here. Welcome to another episode down here on the Tweed at the Yair. Thanks for the recommendation, Cornish Chris. I'll put his link in the description to his channel. Does wonderful fishing videos. Giving it a wee go here. Started a lot later than I meant to. Had a wee bit of drama last night when Mum and Dad's car arrived to the hotel. Went up in fire, so we had the fire brigade out. So a wee bit of excitement to the weekend. Hopefully we'll get a bit more excitement with some fish and we'll see how we get on. Oh, I've already seen a few fish move about. Got the super fast sink tip on, but it might be bouncing along the bottom, but oh well, we'll see what happens. Give it a wee go for now. First time ever on the Tweed. Cornish Chris recommended to go here, so thanks for that, Chris. It's a lovely place to fish, and Gilly's lovely as well. I might have to change the fly. We'll see what happens on. Casting's not great off the bank, eh? Not easy with a super fast sink tip on, but we'll give it a go. Been a few fish moving already anyway, a few fish jumping through here. Oof. I might need to change the fly to keep hooking the bottom. Fishing now, probably going to have a wet foot with the hook good in the waders, but what can we do? Got to enjoy the fishing. Saw a fish a wee bit further up, but not seen any down here yet. Keep on trying and see what happens. I've only managed to hook the grass and hook myself so far, so not having a very good morning. We're ready for a coffee at lunch after all this. Right, working my way further down, still fighting with the casting, but it's off my left shoulder. I can't wade out enough to get the snake roll, so have to be left shoulder casting all the way. Fair bit of water in, still running quite clear though. See the bottom quite easily. Haven't seen a fish in a while, so might go down near the bottom where I can fish for the morning. We'll give it a go down at this point, and then hopefully I'll have about 40 minutes or so in that top pool again where I was seeing a lot of fish, because I know I was covering them and they weren't far out from the bank, so we'll give that a wee go there. Why is it every time I turn the camera on it does that? It wraps itself around the fucking camera. There we go. Right, in boat pool after lunch now. See what happens here. I think a fish may have moved behind me. Someone on the other side had a fish on for a while apparently, and then they lost it. bite. There's a fish with fungus on down there. That's a biggie swimming past. Jeez. One casualty there from spawning. Quite a big one actually. Giving it a go through boat pool again. Above the hut. See if anyone wants to have a wee nibble. Nothing has so far today, so wee bit of hope, but running out of hope for the season. Just got next year to look forward to. At least the left-handed casting is getting better from today anyway. That's one good thing come out of it. It's been beautiful fishing on the Tweed though. It's been fantastic. I love the day. Even though nothing doing, seen plenty of fish about, and it's a lovely stretch of water to fish. Well then, that's it. Sums up the whole salmon season. We've seen lots of fish today anyway. Seen some massive ones, some 15, 20, 25 pounders, but they all had a bit of fungus on them. There was one with fungus at the edge. Thoroughly enjoyed my day on the Yair on the Tweed anyway. First day fishing on the Tweed. I will definitely be back. Thanks for the recommendation, Cornish Chris the Fish. And yeah, that's me wrapping up the salmon season for this year, and hopefully get a few pike videos through the season. But bye for now.